Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to be part 3 in our styling short hair series. The first hairstyle is going to be of this gorgeous half up, half down French braid. So she does do this style on silver grayish colored hair. Absolutely love the way that the contrast looks at the root with the black. I think that it looks amazing in the form of a French braid. So she does French braid the top section of the hair and then leave the rest out with a slight wave. Gorgeous way to rock the bob. So the next hairstyle is going to be of a half up bubble braid style. Now this can also be done on a bob, but I have seen it done on pixie haircuts as well. So don't feel like you can't do this if you do have a pixie. Now if you do of course have a pixie haircut, here is how you would do a simple styling of that every day. So she grabs the blow dryer as well as her brush and blows out her hair. So this blogger in particular has had long hair for ages. She's one of the first short hair influencers that have managed to follow, and she now has her very own product line. So I thought that was really interesting. If you are interested in seeing more about that, check out her Instagram if you want to try out her products. So here she has styled a very nice pixie cut, leaving kind of like that mohawk spiky aesthetic. And then for the next hairstyle, she also does a similar variation. Now here she has more of a platinum pixie going. Love this hair shade on her. This is a brilliant way to kind of revamp an old style. So she does use her product line in this video, and there is the link to her particular product brand if you want to check it out. So here she does show you how she achieves that kind of spiky pixie look. She uses the flat iron to just kind of straighten the hair and create some texture with the product. This is kind of like a messy, chic way to rock a pixie. I absolutely love that she has so much movement in the hair, and she was really able to play around with it and create the style that she desired. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the earrings as well to accessorize. And then here, as you guys already know, blue hair is now trending. And here we have a shoulder length blue color bob. Blue color bob. So this is gorgeous. She actually ends up cutting her hair herself to just around shoulder length. And it does have more of like a lob feel overall because it is a longer bob. But she does add a nice slight wave to this style, and that really just added in some more texture as well, creating a great look for the new season ahead. And this deep color blue is an absolutely gorgeous shade that will work on many different skin tones. Alright you guys, I hope you have been enjoying this series. If you have, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.